Building houses and hope. Habitat for Humanity has made that their mission for over 35 years in Wycomico County. Since 2006, they have repaired 83 homes, helping area families maintain their strength and stability in times of uncertainty.
So raising money for an organization like this has a measurable effect on the community, members of that community who in turn are stepping up to represent their local restaurants and catering companies to organize a gourmet gala.
Now, the 12th annual Chefs for Habitat event works to make a difference with their fundraiser, and here representing the event, we have Christina Williams, who is the Director of Development for Habitat for Humanity in Wycomico County, as well as Lisa Shelton, the honorary chairholder. Thanks for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you.
Got so much I want to ask, but first off, I want to say congratulations. You have actually had to expand because this event has been so successful, and you're now in the Normandy Arena.
We are, yes, expanded this year, so expecting about 400 guests.
Wow.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. So can you tell us more about what Join Us in Jade means?
So this year, Jade is a color for 35, and this is our 35th anniversary at Habitat for Humanity of Wycomico County. So we are celebrating everything's bigger and better. The event's better, building more houses, and just trying to make a bigger impact with 35 years.
She looks like she really enjoys this.
Yeah.
The chefs dedicate their time to this. Tell us about the chefs.
Our chefs are amazing. This year we have we've gone up to 18. I think when I last talked to your producers, it was 16. So now we're at 18.
Wow.
Yeah, so chefs from all over. We have a lot of repeat chefs. They come in from different restaurants in the area, catering companies, food trucks, and they donate their time, their talent, you know, their everything just to make sure that our guests are fed and they have this wonderful time getting these small signature plates that they create just for this event. So it's really wonderful. And we do get a donation from Mount Air Farms of protein, so that also helps us amazingly, and it helps take some burden off the chefs, which we really appreciate what they do for us.
It's like going to 18 different restaurants in one night, isn't it?
It is, exactly. And if you have enough room, it's an amazing experience.
Yeah.
You have to come hungry.
And they also have a silent auction. Lisa, can you tell us a little bit about the silent auction?
We get donations from local companies, board members, just people of the community will donate for us. This year, I believe it's all live. I mean, not live, it's all online.
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's a silent auction only, so we do have, like Lisa said, we have a bunch of items from different businesses. Some people will put together a basket for us, donors, supporters, and just a lot of things, some auction trips, little getaway experiences, a beekeeper experience, so if you want to go in a hive and see how that works, a mushroom foraging. So we have a lot of different fun things in our auction that our attendees will be able to bid on.
Nice.
Okay, so you've got a fundraiser. That means the money comes in.
Yes.
And the money goes out. Where does the money go? How do you use the money?
All the funds raised go toward buying construction material to build houses here in Wycomico County for hardworking families in need. And then we sell those houses to them at a low interest and affordable mortgage. So the money goes back into the community because these people are investing in their neighborhoods, they're investing in the businesses that they're working at. So it does benefit the community greatly when we support home ownership for hardworking families in need.
Now back to the whole event, the chefs, it's almost a competition for them as well, isn't it?
We don't actually have them compete. The chefs do, they cook for us, they all come up, we recognize them on stage at the end. We have a celebrity competition though, where local, local up-and-comers and movers and shakers, they compete live on stage in a skills challenge, which I can't tell you about because they don't even know. But they're going to be, you know, feet to the fire, doing these skills, and we'll have a winner from that. And they also, starting, you know, just now, they are fundraising for us as well. So they're doing online fundraising, crowdfunding, and raising money also for the event and for Habitat. So they're amazing people. We have a huge amount of them. They're all on our website, so are all of our chefs. I could name them here, but it would just take too much time. So check out the website so you can see all these amazing people.
This really does sound like fun.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you give us the wheres and the whens?
Wycomico Civic Center,
Okay.
February the 18th at 6:30.
I think I can remember that day because it's your daughter's
Oh, that means it's
Anniversary.
I remember it because my daughter's anniversary is his birthday.
Yeah.
Just saying. So
Happy
plenty
birthday.
to celebrate. Christina Williams and Lisa Shelton, thank you both for being here this afternoon, and good luck with the event. I don't think you need the luck because
No.
it's always a good time for everyone.
Thank you so much.